Hey guys, welcome to Successful Archi Student. Today I want to talk about how to create a section or plan cut in Sketchup. I'm using Sketchup Make here, which is the free version. And there's a lot of tutorials about this on YouTube, but none of them are, they're all really long, and this is an extremely simple process. So I want to teach that to you in just a couple of minutes here. So when I'm talking about a section or plan cut, what I'm talking about is something like, let me just put this one on. This plan cut here, it just slices through the building, and that's how you can see inside the building. And so to create one of these, it's really simple. All you have to do is go up to the tools, the toolbar menu bar at the top here, and go to section plane. And you might be thinking, this is quite difficult because you can't actually lock onto a plane, and it's really weird trying to just get into a certain spot. What you can do though, a little tip to get around that is you can press the left, right, or up arrow keys, and they can lock onto the planes for you. So if you press the left arrow key, it locks onto the green plane, which makes it super easy just to slice through the building wherever you want, and there you have a nice section cut. However, let's say you want to do a plan cut through the building. All you'd have to do is go to the tools menu bar at the top here, go to section plane, and press on the up arrow key, and then that locks onto the blue axis, which is how you will create a plan section cut through the building. And so if you want to disable these section cuts, all you have to do is click on the section plane and untick active cut. So what this option allows you to do is to actually keep your section cut there in your project while you're working, but it just means that you're not actively cut through that part of the building like you would be. So there are a couple of issues that are commonly come across when trying to create section cuts in your project. So let's say I will go to create a section plane here. I just want to do a section cut through the building. Most of the time you wouldn't be able to see the section cuts or the section plane as you created that. As you can see, I didn't undo or anything there, it's just disappeared. And that's because I just went to untick the section cut and section planes options here. And so if you have section cuts on, you can still see your slice through the building, except you can't see any of the section planes. So if you go up to your view menu bar here and you click on section planes, that's what allows you to see all the other section planes you've created in your project. And so then obviously if you want to turn off the section planes, you can just untick that option there, or you can just untick the section cuts, and then you no longer see the section cuts through your building. So I hope you guys found that helpful. If you did enjoy that, please subscribe. If you want to be able to turn this section cut into a dynamic animation, I can show you exactly how to do that in another short video. I'll put the link on the screen now, and you can click on that and watch that video. So until next time guys, thank you for watching Successful Archi Student, and I'll see you in the next episode.